Today we are going to do the metaphysical poem, The Canonization by John Donne. John Donne is a metaphysical poet, and metaphysical means beyond physical. The concepts that are used is beyond physical or beyond our imagination. For example, the poem A Valediction for Forbidding Morning, the poet compares the two lovers to the two hands of a compass. So now let's see this poem. In this poem, the canonization, we know that it is a way like how in a Catholic church a normal person will be elevated to the position of the saint. So now let's see this poem. For God's sake, hold your tongue and let me love, or chide my palsy or my gout. For God's sake, hold your tongue and allow me to love. You may speak about my old age. You may speak about my physical unfitness or physical health. My 5 grey hairs or ruined fortune flout. You may even speak about my 5 grey hairs, my 5 senses that doesn't approve now, that doesn't work properly now. Or ruined fortune flout. You may even speak about my misfortunes, how I ruined my fortune. With the wealthier state, your mind with arts improve. You can improve your state with your position, with your wealth. You can improve your mind with your arts. Take you a course, get you a place. Observe his honor or his grace, or the king's real or his stamped face. Contemplate whatever you will, what you will approve, so you will let me love. You may take a course and you may get a place, you may find a job, you may even get the impression of the king, you may even praise him and get his impression and get his favor. Contemplate whatever you want to contemplate, but allow me to love. Alas, alas, who is injured by my love? What merchant ship have my sighs drowned? Who is injured by my love? Which merchant ships have drowned because of my sighs? Who says my tears have overflowed his ground? Who says that my tears have created a flood? When did my cold say forward spring remove? When did my cold have turned? How have changed this? How changed the spring season? When did the heats which my veins fill add one more to the plaguey bill? When did the heat, my heat of lust, when did this heat of my lust have added 1% to the list of the plague affected people? Soldiers find wars and lawyers find out still litigious men, which quarrels move, though she and I do love. Even though we both love, soldiers still find wars. Lawyers still find people for doing the cases. Call us what you will, we are made such by love. Call her one, me another fly. Whatever you want to call us, you may call. If you want to call her, both of us flies, you may call us like that. We are tapers too, we are candles too, and at our own cost we die. Like how the flies come to the candle and die, and like how the candle melts itself and it dies, the same way but even if we die, we are dying at our own cost. And we in us find the eagle and the dove, both the symbol of peace and violence, both we find in us. Predator and prey, both we find in us. The phoenix riddle hath more wit by us, we two being one are it. The phoenix we know it burns itself and from its ashes it regenerates. The same way we both lovers are also like phoenix. And so to one neutral thing both sexes fit. So to one neutral thing as phoenix, both our sexes fit. We die and rise the same and prove mysterious by this love. We die and rise the same like the phoenix, and we prove ourselves mysterious in love. We can die by it if not live by love. And if unfit for tombs and hearse our legend be, it will be fit for verse. So we can die by love if we cannot live by love. And then if we find unfit for tombs, if nobody dedicates makes a tomb for us, we will find our own place in our verse. And if no piece of chronicle we prove, we will build in sonnets pretty rooms. If we cannot find our names in any chronicles, we will find it in our sonnets. As a well-wrought urn becomes the greatest ashes, as half-acre tombs by these hymns all shall approve as canonized for love. So just like how a well-wrought urn becomes filled with greatest ashes and half-acre tombs filled with people, the same way with our hymns, all will approve us canonized by love, all will consider us like saints. And thus invoke us, you whom reverent love made one another's hermitage. You find hermitage in the other person, and your lover find hermitage in you. The same way, you to whom love was peace, that now is rage. For you, love was peace before, and now it is rage, because it is overpowering. Who did the world's whole contract and drove into the glasses of your eyes? You find the whole world in your lover's eye. Your lover find the whole world in your eye. Just like that, you find the whole world in each other's eyes, because you are world to one another. So made such mirrors and such spies that they did all to you epitomize. Mirrors also may reflect, but still all of them will look onto you. Countries, towns, courts beg from above a pattern of our love. So, pattern of your love. So, those people will invoke and say, countries, towns, everywhere, courts, everywhere. Please beg from above. Please beg from heaven a pattern of your love. Everybody will ask for a pattern of your love, because you are saints in love, because you are canonized in love. I hope the poem is clear to you. Thank you.